Morning guys, welcome out to another Cooking with Jared. Today we are at the Escape Adventures headquarters. Today I'm going to show you a really simple breakfast that tastes oh so good and it'll hold you over usually until the mid-afternoon with just one of these sandwiches. These are our breakfast sandwiches. Really easy, you'll find them delicious, and you can't go wrong with them. So here we go with Escape Adventures breakfast sandwiches. All right guys, the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna open up our bagels. You wanna do things in order. So open up our bagels here, and we are gonna immediately go to the grill right now, and we're gonna toast these. We're gonna start here, and we're gonna put some butter in our pan right here. Not too much, but enough we're gonna be able to coat our bagels. We're gonna throw our bagels in just like this. Push down, move over, push down, move over, same again, over, and one more right there. So we're gonna just brown these little guys up just like this. It'll take about 30 seconds for that, and then we're gonna put them off to the side. All right guys, right here, let's see what we got. It's just about perfect right there. We'll put these over on the side. There we go. All right guys, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw our meat. You can use any meat, you can use turkey or ham, and we're gonna brown that up right here. But while I'm doing this, I like to cut the cheese on this cutting board over here, and we're gonna put that on here so that's melting on our bagels. You wanna cut kind of thin sliced cheese, and that should do right there. So let's go put this on our bagels right now. Alrighty. Now we're gonna let those kind of heat up right together. Let's watch our meat here. See how that's starting to grill up real good. All right, that looks pretty good right there. So we're gonna pull this off. We're gonna put those right on like this, just like that. Alrighty. Now we're gonna put the tops back on. We're gonna let those still warm up. We're gonna crack our eggs in there. So we're gonna do 2 eggs per bagel. You can see that's looking really good right here. So nice yolk all combined together like that. That's looking good. Okay, we're gonna put this back on the flame a little bit there. Let that cook over a little bit. Now this is a good time to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and throw some salt in here. Now since generally we're riding bikes right after this breakfast, we salt it up pretty good. I like to pepper it up really good too. So it's just about time. So let's take this, throw this right there, put your top on there, and pull it off just like that. And same with this one here. Put it on top, pull it off just like that. Alrighty. Alright guys, well here you go. We've got another Escape Adventures instant breakfast right here. This is our breakfast sandwiches, right? Ready to go. Cook them however you want, but you eat one of these and it'll be good pretty much all day long. And again, thanks for joining us here at another Cooking with Jared at the Escape Adventures headquarters. Hope to see you out on the trail one day. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.